Microbes that once troubled the stomach of a prehistoric hunter are offering researchers a rare insight into the early settlement of Europe. Otzi the Iceman, as he is popularly known, died on an alpine glacier near the border of Italy and Austria some 5,300 years ago. And since two German hikers stumbled over his mummy in 1991, researchers have probed, prodded, biopsied, X-rayed, and CAT-scanned his remains, making him one of the most well-studied corpses in the history of forensic medicine.
We studied the stomach content of the mummy because we detected about 3 years ago that the stomach is still preserved and it was still filled with material.
In findings reported Thursday in Science, an international research group that includes Doctors Inc. now has analyzed remnants of ulcer-causing microbes called Helicobacter pylori, exhumed from the stomach of this Neolithic nomad. The microbe has infected humankind for so many thousands of years that distinctive strains evolved as anatomically modern humans migrated out of Africa in successive waves starting about 60,000 years ago.
It's a pathogen that is frequently present also in the modern population. We have about half of the population has this bacteria in the stomach, and in about 10% it causes diseases like gastritis, gastric ulcer, or even stomach carcinoma. We know from previous studies that this bacteria is probably present since the onset of mankind.
With modern DNA sequencing technology, the scientists reconstructed the genetic structure of this ancient microbe, the oldest known pathogen sequenced so far.
So we extracted the complete DNA and we fished out, by using a modern technique, all Helicobacter sequences out of this material. And by doing this, we could reconstruct the whole ancient, complete bacterial genome of Helicobacter pylori.
By comparing it to modern variants, they discovered that this early European wanderer was infected with a strain that survives today only in India and South Asia, and not those more prevalent in modern Europe. The findings suggest that multiple waves of migrants settled Europe, introducing new strains of the bacteria as they intermingled, they said. In experiments now underway, the scientists hope they can use these microbes as a marker to map the global travels of humankind.